everybody, welcome back. Today we are making two different marinades with two different fishes. We're making salmon, making shrimp. We're gonna make both proteins both ways. What are you making?
Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Shut up, bitch. Anyways, we got a cup of teriyaki, a cup of bourbon, some brown sugar, and some garlic. What do you got?
Well, Tim, I'm just gonna call this bourbon fish marinade. Quarter cup bourbon, quarter cup soy, quarter cup of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, quarter cup of brown sugar, what do you say, third a cup of diced green onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and a tablespoon to 2 of
Homegrown chives.
homegrown chopped chives. All right, let's mix this stuff up. I think this one's gonna be really good on the salmon. All right, we're gonna let those flavors mesh a little bit. Let them go for about 5 minutes or so. Then we're gonna get the protein marinated. Alrighty, Tim, you got your marinade, I got mine. We got the salmon and the shrimp. But we're gonna divide this up, and by divided, I mean we got it divided. So pour it over. One thing I do want to say, when to cook your for your salmon to cook evenly, it's a good idea to score the back side here. That way it'll cook, because we're only gonna cook it on, we're not flipping it, so it cooks better all the way through if you score the. I want all the flavors to marry all the shrimp. We're gonna let this marinade.
How long?
About 15 minutes. All right, so we got the marinade on. Still marinating a little bit, but we did put the shrimp on skewers, easier to handle on the grill. All right, so we are gonna get these on the grill. We're gonna put the salmon in these little foil trays we made up here. So we are cooking salmon on the grill in foil. And we're gonna put the salmon on those. We're gonna put it on a little bit ahead of time because the shrimp are gonna cook pretty quick. They're gonna cook a lot quicker than the salmon will. So we're gonna get the salmon on, check it. When the salmon's about, I would say 5 to 10 minutes from done, we'll put the shrimp on. What do you
Very
think?
quick, yep. Let's go for it.
All right, 400. We got the smoker running. We're always next level. You didn't even
right,
cheers
son.
me. What?
Cheers.
All right. We got the grill all heated to 400.
That smells amazing.
All right, shrimp's on. It's not going to be too long. We're going to get that close so they can cook up and look real nice.
And again, it smells amazing.
Our neighbors must hate us. All right. We turned this up to 500 just for a couple minutes just to get some crisp on these, but so far so good. It's a lot of shrimp. I smell bourbon and brown sugar. All right, we got 2 great looking dishes here. You got the, what was yours? What was your marinade?
Yakety yak.
Yakety yak. Don't talk back. Don't talk back to me. All right, and I had the bourbon fish marinade.
Yeah.
Seafood marinade, whatever you want to call it. So they look fantastic. Honestly, you're right though. This one does look better. It's got greens in it and stuff.
I like
This
all
one,
the colors.
I'm sure it's going to be good, but you got this one mostly
plain.
bourbon and teriyaki, so I'm sure it's going to be good. But this just like, well, as you saw by the ingredients, it had a ton of stuff in it. So I'm looking forward to tasting them both. All right,
Time to taste.
time to taste. So which one? We'll go with this one. Your bourbon.
Go for it.
Let's go yakety yak first. Don't talk back.
I want to know if it should have marinated longer.
We're gonna taste a little bit of that teriyaki bourbon.
It's good salmon. I don't taste a whole lot of it though.
I'm going with this one. They both taste good. I like this guy.
Me too. Just not enough flavor. Should have marinate longer.
All right. You want the
Look how the skin peels right off.
head or gut?
I'll get my own.
There you go.
Yeah, I
Well, we gotta taste this one first.
Oh no, we don't.
All right.
Fight's on.
Fight on. I'm tasting this one first. Again, I do taste a little bourbon teriyaki. This one's actually not too bad.
That's
With
pretty good.
with the shrimp, actually, it makes them kind of sweet almost. Let me
No,
try this one.
hands down the winner.
This one? You didn't even
Needs
taste
more-
that one.
Needs more flavor.
Taste it. I dare you. I almost like this shrimp better. I like this salmon better. This shrimp, it's almost sweeter.
After he's done licking them.
Touch
Don't
me.
touch.
All right, well, 2 good meals, 2 good marinades. I'll put the recipes right down in the description. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks, Sim.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice meal.
We'll see you next time. Oh wait, cheers, bitches.